Hi guys, in front of me is POCO F8 Pro, and let me show you how to perform a soft reset. So basically all you have to do is to tap on power button along with volume up button. Just tap and hold. Just a few more seconds. And when you see POCO logo, you can remove both fingers from both buttons and just wait till your POCO is rebooted. Or just mark reboot, tap on power button to activate it. And that's it, that will be all. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.